Hi, I'm Rich Berlin from Sonifex in the UK, and we're here at NAB New York, and we'll just give you a quick rundown on a couple of the new products we've got out and due to come out very shortly. So first of all, we have our new AVN-M8R unit. So it's an 8-input mic or line unit and converts the mic or line signal into the Dante network. It has a GPIO, so inputs or outputs for triggering and flagging warnings on audio levels or similar sort of things. And we also have the dual redundant PoE, so you can power from either of those ports if you wanted to. It has a nice little web GUI for doing all your setups, and if we click on that just there, it expands there so you can set your input to be mic or line, and then the phantom power if you're using the mic mode, then your preamp gain for the mic mode as well, the high pass filters, and then it's where you can set up the audio presence, threshold and detection duration. So you could use that if something happens where the mic goes off or for any reason the audio stops, that can send you a trigger and send it to the GPIO here, or you can send it as an Ember Plus command across the network to warn another piece of equipment.